Chapter 11 of NCERT book of class 10 Construction. Exercise 11.2. Exercise 11.2 and the first question. Draw the circle of radius 6 cm from a point 10 cm away from the center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. Okay, now the first question. Draw a circle of 6 cm. Draw a circle of radius 6 cm and take a point, another point 10 cm away from this. It means this distance is 10 cm. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. The construction here is the center O and this point is P. Now perpendicular bisect the line OP from O and P. So we have to construct a line perpendicular bisector of this. And now taking this center and draw a circle. We draw a circle. This circle intersect the previous circle at the point T and T dash. Now join the point P to T and PT dash. These are the two tangents PT and PT dash. Okay. Now construction. Draw a line of 6 cm. Circle of 6 cm radius. It means this is the 6 cm. Now draw the radius circle of 6 cm radius. Okay. First we have to draw the circle of 6 cm radius. Okay, this is the center. This is the center O. Okay, now take a 10 centimeter. Draw a line. Take a point P at 10 centimeter distance. Here is the 10. This is the point P. Now the procedure. OP perpendicular bisect OP. OP. Draw a perpendicular bisector of the line OP. Okay. This is the center of this point, suppose O dash. And taking the center O dash as a center and OO dash as a radius. OO dash as a radius and draw a circle. Passing through the point P&. Okay. This circle intersect the previous circle at the point T and T dash. Now join the points PT and PT dash. Join the point P, T and PT dash. PT and PT dash are two tangents. Now measure the length of each tangent. Okay. From the distance from T to T dash is 8 centimeter and this is also a 8 centimeter. The PT equal to PT dash. The tangents drawn from the external points are equal to each other. Okay. Question number 2. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from the point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm and measure its length. And also verify the measurement by actual calculation. Okay. Draw a circle of radius 4 cm. Concentric circle, there is a radius 4 cm. Now second circle of radius 6 cm. This is of 6 cm. Then draw the tangent from this circle to on this circle. Take a diameter 6 cm and perpendicular bisect of this line OP. and draw a circle of taking these two points T and T dash. Join PT and PT dash. This is the construction. Okay. Now make a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Taking 4 centimeter, distance 4. Okay. Now draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Taking this as a center O. Now again draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. The concentric circle with the same center. Make a circle of same center. We have to draw a tangent from this circle on the previous circle. Make a radius okay, and now this is a point P. Now perpendicular bisect OP. Okay, now perpendicular bisect OP. Join this point. Draw perpendicular bisector. This point take O dash. Now taking radius O dash O and draw a circle. This new circle intersect the previous circle at point T and T dash. Now join PT and PT dash. These are the two tangents. This is a radius. Radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. This angle equal to 90 degree. This is 6 centimeter. Radius is 4 centimeter. And the length of the tangent is OT square plus PT square equal to OP square. This is the hypotenuse. OT square is 4 square plus PT square, length of the tangents 6 square. PT square equal to 36 minus 16, 20. Then PT equal to under root 20. It means 2 root 5 centimeter. Okay. 2 root 5 equal to 2 into root 5 is approx 2.24 approx. It means 4.48 centimeter. By the construction we can see this is about the 4.5. This is verified. The length of the tangents is equal to 4.48 approx equal to. Now question number 3. The question number 3 is a draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each of distance 7 centimeter from its center. Draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. First we have to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Okay. See, here is a rough diagram. Draw a circle of 3 centimeter and point O. Take 2.7 centimeter from both sides. P and Q, 7 centimeter. This is a point P and this is point Q. Now bisect PQ, perpendicular bisect, and draw a circle. This is a rough diagram. And again perpendicular bisect OQ. Suppose like this and draw a circle of OQ. Yes. And make 2 tangents from here and 2 tangents from here. Like this. Okay. The first, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Taking 3 centimeter. Radius 3. Okay. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Okay. This is the center O. Taking 2 points P and Q 7 centimeter away from O. 7 centimeter from this side. This is a point P and 7 centimeter from other side. This is a point Q. Now draw the tangents from the point P on this circle and from Q from this circle. Now start construct. Perpendicular bisect OQ. First we have to bisect, perpendicular bisect OQ. Okay. And draw a circle taking this as a center. This circle intersect at S and S dash. The point S and S dash. Join Q S and Q S dash. These are the two tangents from the point Q. Similarly, we can draw from the point P. Now perpendicular bisect OP. OP. Same procedure. Taking this point as a center, draw a circle and intersect the previous circle at the point T and T dash. This circle intersect at the point T and T dash and join PT and PT dash. Okay, PT, PT dash, QS and Q dash are the tangents from the points P and Q. Okay, next question. Now question number 4. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeter which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. Question number 4. The rough diagram of this figure, see, draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Draw a circle of radius any 5 centimeter. Point P, O and P. Now make the angle 120 degree. 60 and 60, 120. This angle equal to 120 degree. This point is Q. Now construct angle 90 degree on the points P and Q, because the tangent makes 90 degree at the radius. This point is T. So angle PTQ equal to 60 degree. PTQ equal to 60 degree. Now the construction of this question. Taking a 5 centimeter as a radius. First draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Okay. 5, accurate 5. This is the center. Okay. Now draw a radius any 5 centimeter. This is a radius 5 centimeter. Now draw angle 120 degree on this radius. 120 degree angle. Make 120 degree angle. $60 and 60. And 60, 120 degree, and make the angle 120 degree. This angle equal to 120 degree. Now plot this point is P and Q. Now make 90 degree at P and Q. Okay, rotate the copy and make angles 90 degree. $60, 120, and half of the 60 and 120. This is the angle 90 degree. Okay, and meet. Extend this line. Okay, next at the point P, draw 90 degree at angle P. Okay, meet, and these two tangents intersect each other the point at T. Intersect at the point T. So PT and QT, angle PTQ equal to 60 degree, because POQT is a quadrilateral, angle P 90, angle Q 90, and this angle is 120 degree. Therefore T angle equal to 60 degree. Okay, next question. Question number 5. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. Taking A as a center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm, and taking B as a center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. एक सर्कल से दूसरे सर्कल के ऊपर क्या बनाना है? टेंजेंट्स. देखिए रफ फिगर ऑफ दिस है. टेक ए लाइन ए बी ऑफ 8 cm. Okay, now taking A as a circle center, take 4 cm. Take a circle of 4 cm and B as a 3 cm. These are the circles 4 cm and 3 cm. And make the tangents from the A to this circle and B. So how can you draw? AB, perpendicular bisect AB and make a circle from B, touch this point. This is the tangent from the B and this is the tangents from A. Such type of figure you will draw. Okay, first we have to draw a line of 8 cm. Okay, 8 cm. This point is A and this point is B. Now 4 cm. Draw a circle of radius 4 cm. Okay, taking 4 cm radius and draw a circle like this. First step is draw a line of 8 cm and B as a center, draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Okay, now perpendicular bisect AB. Make a perpendicular bisector. Okay, this is a new center O dash, and taking this new center and draw a circle which touches the both the circles at the different point. Okay, is started A and this point is T and T dash. and R and R dash. Now from B, draw tangents B and R and BR dash. These are the tangents from B. And from A, AT AT dash are two tangents. This is the figure. Now question number 6. Let ABC be a right triangle in which AB equal to 6 cm, BC equal to 8 cm, angle B equal to 90 degree. BD is a perpendicular from B on AC. A circle through BCD is drawn. Construct a tangent from A to this circle. Okay. First, the rough diagram of this figure. Make a right triangle ABC. ABC. Angle B equal to 90 degree and AB equal to 6 cm and BC equal to 8 cm. This is a right triangle. Okay. Now draw a perpendicular from B on AC. So how can you draw? Taking this center and draw altitude, like a altitude. This point is D. Now draw a circle through BCD. So how can you draw? Bisect BC. This is a perpendicular bisector of BC. Taking this center, draw a circle. Which one is passes through the BCD. Now construct the tangent from A on this circle. So how can you draw? This is the center of this circle. Join the center of A. And this and take this point P. Now perpendicular bisect OP. AP, sorry. Now perpendicular bisect AP, this line. And draw a circle from this. This circle touches the point Q. Therefore, AQ and AB is the tangent on this previous circle. Very complicated figure. Okay. First, we have to draw a right triangle. The base is 6 cm. Now draw first base is 6 cm. Okay. A right triangle, make a 90 degree of this point B. This is point B and this point is A and 6 cm. Okay. Make a line of 8 cm. Okay. This point is C and 8 cm. Join AC. Now draw a perpendicular from B on AC. Draw perpendicular B from B on AC. Cut, make a arc like this and join this. Touch. This point is D. This is 90 degree. Okay. Now perpendicular bisect BC. Perpendicular bisect BC and make a circle passes through the points BC and D. Perpendicular bisector for finding the center of the circle. Suppose this point is O. And draw a circle taking radius OC. Passes through the point A, B, C and D. This circle. Okay. We have to draw the tangents from A on this circle. Now join OA for making tangents. Okay. Perpendicular bisects OA. Now perpendicular bisect OA. Very tedious question. Okay. Now this is the perpendicular bisector on OA, and take this point. Taking this point as a center, draw a circle, pass through the this circle touch at the point. This point is T and this point is B. Now AB is a tangent on this circle, and AT is also a tangent. AT and AB are the tangents from A on this circle, which passes through the points B, C and D. Okay. Last question. Draw a circle with the help of a bangle. Take a point outside the circle. Construct the pair of tangents from this point to the circle. It means a circle without knowing the center. Rough diagram of this question. Suppose this is a circle, okay, without knowing the center. Draw any chord AB and take P point outside for this center, this circle. Draw PB equal to PC. Now draw PB equal to PC and perpendicular bisect AC. Perpendicular bisect, hold this line AC. Perpendicular bisect like this, and taking this point as a center, draw a semicircle. Okay, touch the C. Last, draw perpendicular on this point P, which is outside the circle. This is, and taking this as a radius, draw a circle. This radius, cut the circle at point T and T dash. Therefore, PT and PT dash are the tangents on this circle. Okay, I am taking as a bangle. Without knowing the center, this is a circle. Okay. This is a circle. Now draw a line. Take a point P. First, draw any line. This is a line on the circle. Taking point P outside this, suppose here. This is a point P. A, B. Now PB equal to, I am taking 3 centimeter. Again extend 3 centimeter here. This is point C. PB equal to PC. Okay. PB equal to PC. Now perpendicular bisect the line AC. Perpendicular bisect the line AC. This is the perpendicular bisector. Okay. Now make a semicircle taking this as a center. This is a which touches at the point C. Okay. Now draw perpendicular on point P. Perpendicular, draw perpendicular on the point P. This is perpendicular on the point P. This is point P. This point touches at the point C. D. Take PD as a radius. Take PD as a radius. Draw a, cut the radius equal to PD. Okay, PD equal to, cut this. This circle intersects at the point T and T dash. Now draw the tangents from P, PT and PT dash. These are the tangents on the circle without knowing the center of the circle. Okay.